I'll show you how to use Wi-Fi and your cellular data connection at the same time on your iPhone. Verify that your Wi-Fi is enabled on your iPhone and connected to a network. Go to Settings and then Wi-Fi and make sure that the switch next to Wi-Fi is on. You can then select a network from the list that appears. But keep in mind, private networks may require you to enter a password before connecting. Make sure you have an active mobile data connection on your iPhone and that you have your cellular data turned on. Go to Settings and then Cellular and make sure the switch next to cellular data is on. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify, either from our site at speedify.com or directly from the App Store. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWRT and powered by Speedify routers. Whether you're at home, on the road, or working remotely, Speedify is the only VPN that makes your internet faster, more reliable, and more secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.